tying up my hair because I don't want to be on here with my hair looking a mess all the time. I'm gonna get my hair done tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday. I'm gonna do my hair. I am doing the kids' hair today. So see, Raven's hair is all out. Hi. 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 You are so sweet. Hi. Hi. Mwah. Oh. Hi. Drop some hi in the comments for Raven. Raven. Yay. Yay, Bookie. Yay, 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 Bookie. Yay. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, good, 10. Yay! Good job. Good job, Mama. So I'm about to make the bed, and yeah, I'm gonna make the bed, make breakfast for Robin, and then comb Raven here. And I'm gonna wash Robin's hair because Robin's hair hasn't been washed. So I need to wash it before it starts raining because I don't want her to get sick. So I'm tying up my hair. Yes, I was saying that I'm gonna get my hair done tomorrow. Raven's dad is coming. Hi. Oh my god. Oh, I need to try to find something to put the phone. Oh, baby. Oh. Yeah, he's coming today and he's gonna be here until tomorrow. So I'm going to utilize the time tomorrow and get my hair done. So because the last time I tried to make an appointment to do my hair, I couldn't go because I was gonna cut it, and she said you know, I have to take Raven, I don't have anywhere to leave her, so that wasn't possible. So I didn't get to do it. So that's what's gonna happen tomorrow. So what's gonna happen today, make the bed. I need to mop the floor, but I don't have any bleach. Anyways, yeah, so I would need to make the bed, make Robin breakfast, comb Raven hair, wash Robin's hair, and comb it, style it for school for the entire week, and then start dinner. I'm cooking today. I think I'm gonna cook stew peas and rice and peas, or stew peas and white rice. Which one? We'll figure it out we'll figure it out. Which one? This mama. Come kiss me. Good job. Hey, baby. Kiss me. High five. They can't give the high five. Give high five. High five. High five. Yay. High five. Give mommy high five. High five. Yay. Okay. High five. Yes, so we're gonna go, and I think we're gonna go to the supermarket when our dad gets here. So hopefully he gets here in time so I can go to the supermarket, because I wanted to pick something up at the supermarket to cook. So let's see how that goes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the vlog, and make sure you subscribe if you are new. Drop some comments and like up the video. All right. You know, when you look and you see and think that they're making a mess, in their mind they are doing the Lord's work. You see, she clap herself because she tell herself that I'm packing up the shoes. Yay, good job, baby, good job. And you be like, oh, what kind of mess she making? No, she thinks she's doing the Lord's work. She's packing them up and she's doing a good job. Good job, baby. I need to put some diaper in her little basket thingy over there. I'm already chosen. Her crib is out in the living room. I always keep it here But because the room is so small and you can't get to move around, because if it was here, then she wouldn't be able to sit right here like that, and she loves to come and play right here. And then, you know, I can move around freely. So I normally put it out in the living room. I'm gonna put it back in here today, but I kind of like it in the living room sometimes, so I can get more space in the. Jesus Christ! Whoa! Wow! Oh my word! Did I just break it? I think I did. I'm trying to help mommy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, baby. Let me just unplug it. Uh-oh. Alright. Can we pack up? Can we just pack up the shoes? Let's see.
But yeah, send me crusty shoes.
No, I don't like that shoes.
You're the one who buy it.
But yeah, I like it, but I just don't like it to go with that. What you have on, what you're wearing now.
You always say crusty. Can't let me be.
Okay, I'm letting you be. More long like.
Everything you can't wear. It's my own clothes. It's my own shoes. Look what you're wearing. I didn't tell you to wear that. Your brain tell you to wear that, right?
Yeah.
Then why you choosing my outfits? Huh? Huh?
Because I'm your mother. What's in your mouth? Ah.
Guys. Can I tell you something? When mommy always run, her boobies always at
You soon have boobies to go like that. Okay?
No, I'm a child, so
Yeah, when you grow, when you get bigger, you're gonna have.
my breast to be like man.
No.
Cause I don't like when I run and my.
All you need to do is just wear a bra and just it will keep it down. Okay?
Yeah, but
Leave me alone. Ice cream. So we'll find out how much it is. I'm gonna check to see. Yeah, when I figure out how much I'll pick up already, then I buy. Well, remember the list. Look in my purse if you find the list, so I can ensure to get what I really want. We made it back home, guys. It was such a rush. I couldn't vlog entirely when I was in the supermarket. So we're home now. And Riri time for her tea. Alright, I didn't remember to buy the razor until I was in the taxi. So we got everything that we wanted. Formula, water. This is the pigtail that I had. I did only buy one pack because I wanted to mix it with chicken foot, but I use the chicken foot to cook soup. So I bought another pack. So I'm gonna start cooking right now. Yeah. But first we gotta feed Miss Robin and Ray Ray.
I'm eating this. I'm telling them that I'm eating this.
Cup soup. So it's time to chef it up in the kitchen. Let's give you a little haul of what I got. First, let's show you the pigtail. So this is a pigtail. So this is the one that I got already, and then this is the one that I just bought. So you know when you do pigtail, you can't short pan when you do stew peas, you can't sharpen the pigtail. Guys, I forgot to buy the razor. I don't know if I mentioned that, so pardon me if you're seeing underneath my arm. I have to make the video, and this is the blouse that I'm going to wear. Okay, so I'm so sorry. Alright, yeah, so since as you guys did not get to see, I was in the supermarket. Let me show you what I got. So that's that. I bought bread because tomorrow is school. Robsy need bread for breakfast. I bought cabbage. This cabbage is for what? $470 something. I bought cucumbers, so this is for the veg today. I got some snacks for Robin for school. So we have Club Social and some Oreo. Just pick up a few little snacks. Bun and cheese for me. That's my favorite snacks. I already have juice in the fridge. So that's that. I bought butter. Jasmine rice. This is my favorite rice. Since I started using jasmine rice, I don't like any other rice. The other rice then just smell old, taste old. I have minced beef, so this is for dinner for one day, and I bought the tomato sauce. This is a garlic, basil, and oregano one. Robin, be careful, I might fall off. There's a Raven. But I wanted plantains because I love plantains. When it comes to breakfast, my breakfast is egg, sausage, and plantain. I didn't see any ripe ones, so I just got the green one. I'll just wrap it up. Just gonna wrap it up in this. Look at this child. Oh my gosh, she's crying and cursing for the something. Why are you looking at her like that? Okay, more. Here. More. Here. More. Yummy. There you go. Alright? Mommy. You need to comb your ears so you can look like one little girl picnic. Jesus. More, okay. You want to watch Sister cartoon? Yeah? Mommy! And then when you're done, you have water. Okay. Is it good, Robin? You like it? Yeah, she's definitely bringing up. Yeah. Okay, yes. And I bought some scallion, onion, tomato, and sweet pepper. And I did get scallion and thyme in the supermarket. So yes, I did. I was showing you guys the tomato sauce that I got with the minced beef. I already have spaghetti and stuff like that. So I will make this as dinner one day. So that's pretty much all that I got. I went into different supermarkets. So I'm gonna start cooking now. I'm gonna put this in the oven so it can rise. So hopefully by tomorrow it can be turned. So first I'm gonna cut up the pigtail. Boil it 3 times so it's not salt. I'm gonna boil it at least 3 times and then start the ball. Okay. The portion is great. I love the amount. That's why I had to go and get the second because I'm not gonna cook tomorrow. She eat it off. Robin just finished her cup soup. You finish yours? Give me this. Let me just drink this. That's a lot. Because I'm not cooking tomorrow. You put it on the back stove. Because Raven, she climb up on the stove here. So I'm gonna scald it 3 times. And then I add the peas and put it to pressure. Who's outside, Bookie? Her daddy's outside. Boo boo? Oh. Who's outside? I'm trying to see what she's going to do. Hello? Hi? Go and look. Hi? Who is that? She running. She's running. She's peeking, guys, and she's running. It's Dada. It's Dada, Bobo. Dada. Dada. It's Dada.
Raven.
It's Dada, baby.
It's Dada.
It's Duppy. No, make it stay same position. Yeah, same length. Yeah. Need to adjust the curtain. No more cooking. What you call it? Curtain. No more. I'm vlogging. No more cooking curtain, guys. So now right, they say, oh, you have to go drill a new hole.
Yeah, man, that's what I was going to.
It's Christmas. I have black spray, so if I want to make it like extremely black, I could furniture black. Prepare myself, not you. I have to keep going. When me least expect it, right?
Just wake up, until you wake up. One morning I sleep, but your face said what happened last night and I was all a week.
Yeah. When you least expect it, I go come true.
Or you just left it.
Put up a... You want me notice the side of the window over there, so? You know, that wide like. Yeah.
Remember, I'm going to buy smaller one.
So even like when the curtain put up, or we can extend the thingy.
You have to put on that and move it.
You have to move it because it can't go. It can't go out.
It can't walk right.
I was noticing it when it was maybe I watch it. But the thing is, it can push over, you know.
When? No?
Make me know if it's set it.
Because it's good now. Because
you see when the curtain go on it, it will go drop right there, so you go still see it grill a little bit because you to drop right there. But it's fine, me figure it out. So just no need to get a nice curtain. How bun up in here, so? It sounds like it pot a bun up. She's asked me to turn up the stove. Still cooking, guys. So the chicken, frying chicken for the kids. And then the stew peas are right over there. Stew peas is finished. It looks so good. Wow. Oh, hi. I was combing Raven's hair. See her hair there? Nice. Her hair is growing also. Where are you going? Bye-bye. Not coming to show them your hair. Where are you running to? Yeah. Eh? So, and the rice is done. And then I'm gonna do the veg now. So I'm gonna do this here. Cucumber, carrot, cabbage. I think I may put a piece of tomato in it. And a piece of apple. I think I have apple. I don't want the apple to waste. Robin, leave me alone. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. And I did make my beetroot. A whole lot of things been going on, guys, and I did not get to show you. Yeah, so I have the beetroot that I made. Yes, Robin Hunter. When am I going to come in here? I have to come in here because you're going to school. You're going to school tomorrow. So I have to comb your hair. So when do you think I'm actually going to comb it? Has to be when I'm finished what I'm doing, right? Okay. So let's put these in the veggie and then we're done. All right, dinner is done. We have Robin, Raven, Raven's daddy and mommy. Summer. Mommy. And mommy Raven. Raven ready. Come Robin, up with the phone. Get away with the phone. It's dinner time. Where are you going? Put back your foot. Put your foot back. You see you? Or to put me in a trouble. Anyways, I'm showing you guys the curtain that they put up. So now I don't have to worry about any curtain falling down. They look so good. They're black and they fit the room. Bedtime for the girlies. So Robin is taking a bath and Raven is about to go to bed. Right? Her daddy tidy her up. Raven, night night. Turn off. Night night. Yes, night night. Sleep. Come. Come. Down. Down. Up, down. Night night. Night night. Night night. Up and no up and down. No up and down. No. No up and down. Can you go put your head down on the pillow? Lay down. Here. Go. Night night. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yes, you want mommy to bite? Yes, yes. Yes, yes, I'm gonna do that. Robin is now ready for bed. She's showered and I combed her hair. For school, Raven is knocked out. So Robin is about to set her alarm to wake her up in the morning. What time are you gonna set it?
6:30.
6:30. So her driver picks her up at 7:30. So, alright, so you just need to put it. See there. So you have 6 and then you have 6 o'clock. So you need to find the 6:30.
6:30. Come. 6:30 a.m.
When do you want it?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All the days because not Saturday.
And then hit save. Hit save. So it's set to alarm in 9 hours. So that's going to alarm tomorrow. 6:30. Let's turn that off. Turn that. So this is the only one you have. Okay? So that's it for you. Bedtime.
I hope I wake up.
Of course, because I'm going to be up first and then it's going to alarm. Because I have to wake up to iron your uniform. I'm not going to iron your uniform tonight because I'm too tired. Okay.